Hey guys, Sarah here in Craft Habit. I've got a quick video for you about another dress that I have refashioned as part of my summer dress challenge. I'm racing to get all 5 dresses done before summer actually ends, but you know what, if they do, I'll just put on tights and a cardigan and I will keep wearing them. That's the plan. So this time I worked on the army green dress. Here's a little preview of it. I've got some more photos and video to show you in a second. But with this one, the main thing I did, I wanted a different look. I wanted to do a little bit of a sort of quilted detailing on it. So I took all the buttons off and I just overlapped the button placket. So the buttonholes are still on the inside. Overlapped it, did some stitching down the front, here along the neckline, around the bottom hem as well here. And then I found this in my stash. I think I've been carrying this fancy little thing around for ages and I ironed it on. Very easy. So I'll show you a little bit more. Here is a close-up of the quilting down what was the front button placket. I did about 4 lines of stitching there. They're not super linear, but I think that works. So what I did is I did a basting stitch with hot pink thread that you can see in the machine there. A basting stitch is a long, loose, straight stitch that you use to basically hold something in place instead of pins. I did that because I wanted to make sure that my button placket didn't move around a lot when I did many lines of stitching. And I did it in hot pink so that when I went to take those stitches out, it would be easy to tell them apart from the green stitching. And that worked out pretty well, I think. Next we're going to look at the stitching around the bottom hem of the dress. Same thing, I basically did one long straight line all the way around the hem and then just did more parallel lines next to it. And then I did the same thing along the neckline up there. Oh, and here is the little patch I put on. I don't know when I picked that up, maybe 20 years ago, but I think it works really well on that dress. Kind of makes me want to add some of the coral fringe to the bottom, but that might be too much. Here's a close-up of the top. Don't look too close. I'm not super meticulous about my lines being straight, but I do like the effect it made. Here again, you can see the front button pocket and a little pocket, and that's it. So I'll be back in a few weeks to give you updates on the last 2 dresses I'm working on. It's the teal dress and the coral dress. I have some ideas for those. I'm excited to get them done and show you, and love to hear your comments and find out what you're working on these days. And I'll see you soon. Bye.